Individuals purchase both collision and liability on their autos. The value of auto is V. Assume the loss L uh, on a claim is random variable with a CDF given below. Find the probability that the loss on a random claim is greater than the value of automobile. So the loss is L and the value of the automobile is V. So we have to find the probability that L is greater than V. L is greater than V. Okay, so we should call it big L here. So that's 1 minus probability that L is less than or equal to V. But L is less than equal to V, that's just big F of V, because the big F is for the L, and L is less than equal to V. Means probability L less than equal to V by definition means the cumulative probability, and that's the big F, so that's F of V. So just as remember, if usually we have things like probability X is less than equal to 40. So imagine this is X and this is 40. So that is big F of 40. So here L less than equal to V. So that'd be big F of V. So big F of V. So now the question is, from which part do we calculate the big F? Because the big F is a piecewise function. And the question is, do we calculate it from the first part or do we calculate it from the second part? So since we want the value of the big F at V, at equal to V, so the equal to V is occurring in the second part. See, the first part is stopping at when L is less than V. So since we want it at equals to V and equals is in the second part, so we will look at the second definition, second half of the definition. So we will substitute L is equal to V because we have to calculate big F at V. So when we substitute L is equal to V here, we get 1 minus 1 over 10 e power minus V minus V over V, because L is equal to V. So 1 minus 1 over 10 e power negative V minus V over V. So this is just e power 0, which is 1. And so that one simplifies to 1 minus 1 over 10. And that's just 0.1. That is choice B.